Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. Today, we're talking about the wonders and benefits of neem oil for your garden. Imagine a garden free from pests, thriving with healthy plants, and all achieved naturally. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secret weapon every gardener needs. Every gardener faces the dilemma of pests lurking in their garden. While some insects are beneficial, others cause a headache for gardeners. Using a natural approach to get rid of pests is not only economical, but also more effective and safer, especially for the end users, the consumers. One of the most common ways to eradicate pests naturally is by using neem oil soil drenches. Neem oil is produced from neem seeds from the Azadirachta indica tree, usually cultivated in Southeast Asia. It contains azadirachtin, a compound that works as a growth inhibitor and appetite suppressor for pests, causing them to starve and eventually die. Neem oil gives a lot of beneficial effects including skin and hair care, joint stiffness, pain, wound healing, and so on. However, we'll just focus on its valuable effects on plants. Neem oil is an organic way of eradicating pests. It can be used as a spray, neem cake, or soil drench. When used as a soil drench, neem oil acts as a systemic pesticide, absorbed and distributed throughout the treated plant. It will not affect beneficial insects like bees or ladybugs because they do not eat the leaves treated with neem oil. Neem oil also works as a fertilizer. Neem cake, composed of the de-oiled residue from neem kernels, acts as a soil amendment for gardens. The oil improves the efficacy of other fertilizers by inhibiting nitrification and protecting the plant's roots from root rot. It works as a bactericide, preventing fire blight, a bacterial disease that makes plants appear wilted as if burned. Neem oil is also effective in killing fungi in plants. Spray the plants once a week to kill fungi and every 2 weeks to prevent them from coming back. Aside from pesticide and insecticide effects, neem oil will also protect your garden from pests infestation. Neem oil helps control aphids, leafhoppers, mealybugs, mites, thrips, various kinds of beetles, hornflies, whiteflies, and many more. The neem oil extract can also be applied to your skin to keep mosquitoes away, but test a small amount first to check for sensitivity. Neem oil as a soil drench is the most effective and healthiest way to use it. When used as a soil drench, neem oil works as a systemic insecticide, absorbed by the plant roots and distributed throughout the plant. It protects the plant against fungal and bacterial contamination and helps treat root rots naturally. Neem oil eradicates nematodes and other harmful soil organisms while safeguarding beneficial earthworms. Using neem oil as a soil drench eliminates the tiny possibility of negatively impacting humans, pets, and other wildlife. To prepare the neem oil soil drench recipe, you need 1 quart of warm water, a teaspoon of cold-pressed neem oil, and liquid dish soap. Mix the ingredients well, ensuring the liquid dish soap blend the water and oil to stabilize the mixture. Water the soil first, then saturate the mixture around the plant you want to treat. Use this once a week for pest control. To keep unwanted insects from returning, apply the recipe to drench your soil every 2 weeks. Test on a small part of the plant first. If there are no negative effects in 24 hours, treat the whole plant. Apply it outdoors at sunset and not in full sun to allow the oil to soak into the soil and plant. Store your neem oil spray out of direct light and avoid high temperatures. Neem oil, nature's gift for a healthier, pest-free garden. Start using it today and watch your garden thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. Grower Today.